Students, hope you all are doing well as we are doing chapter 2nd of mathematics, that is more about numbers. Today's our topic is skip counting in tens, hundreds and thousands. This you have done in your previous class, but today we are going to learn this for 4-digit number, right? So let's start. First is skip counting in tens. What it means? It means after skipping 9 numbers, we are going to write 10th number here. So let's learn taking by an example. This is 2010, right? So after skipping 9 numbers, what we get? We get 2020. How? Just add in 1 in tens place, right? After 2020, what we get? 2030. What you have to do? Just add 1 in tens place. When we are doing skip counting in tens, we are going to add 1 in tens place. After that, what we get? We get 2040. Then 2050. Then 2060. Yes, 2070, 2080, 2090. When we add 1 in tens place, means 1 in 9, what we get? We get 2100, right? So what you observed? Look at this. Here, one's place is same. Means one's column remains same. When we are skip counting in tens, just keep the ones column same, but watch for tens and hundreds column. As you can see, ones column remains same, but tens and hundreds column change. When we are moving 9 to 10, this tens and hundreds column change. Let us take another example. Let 3590. We have to skip counting in tens for this. So what we get? We get 3600, 3610, 3620, 3630, up to so on, right? And what type of question you have to put? Like you have to complete this. Take this digit. This is 8575. You have to complete this by skip counting in tens. Now what do you do? Just add 1 in tens place, right? What do you get? 8585, 8595, 8605, right? So just keep the ones place, ones column same, but watch out for the tens and hundreds column, right? In this way you can do. Next is skip counting in hundreds. Now take an example for this. This is 8990. We have to complete this pattern by skip counting in hundreds. As we have did skip counting in tens, in a similar way, what we have to do? Just add 1 in hundreds place, right? So what you get? 9090, 9190, then 9290, then 9390. Take another example. That is 9,000. Right? And we have to skip counting in hundreds, means we have to complete this. Right? Now add 1 in 100 place. What we get? 9,100, then 9,200, then 9,300. Right? So keep one thing in your mind: when we are going skip counting in hundreds, just keep the ones and tens same, but watch out for hundreds and thousands column. Right? As you can see, ones and tens column remain same, but watch out for the hundreds and thousand. You can see over here. So in this way we can do skip counting in hundreds. Take another example. Let us 4,310, and we have to complete this pattern. Right? What do we get? Skip counting in hundreds. Just add 1 in 100 place. What do you get? 4,410, 4,510, 4,610. Right? This way you can do. Next is skip counting in thousand. As we have done for tens and hundreds, now we are doing for thousands. For thousand, what we have to do? Just add 1 in thousand place. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Add 1 in thousand place. So we have to complete this pattern. Right? What do you get over here? Yes, 7,775. Then 8,775. Then 9,775. Right? Take another example. Let us 5,800. Right? And we have to complete this. Right? So just add 1 in thousand place. What do you get? 6,800, then 7,800, then 8,800. So we have to remember one thing: skip counting in 100 is the easiest. Keep all the column, that is ones, tens, hundred same, and only the thousand column will change. You can see here, this is thousands column, and only this column will change. Like here it is 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. You can see here this is 5, and this is thousands column. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and all other column remain same. In this way you can do. Right? So let us quick recapitulate what we did today. First we have to learn this skip counting in tens, and we did it. Next we did skip counting in hundreds, and then skip counting in thousands. So on this concept there are activity 7, activity 8 and activity 9 in your mathematics books which you have to do. This is all about today. Thank you.